Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to create a business object in RAP, RESTful Application Programming. So first of all, what is business object? Business object represents a real world business entity in software. For example, a sales order, a travel request, a product, or a purchase requisition. Something which exists in real life, which is a end-to-end functionality. For example, creating a sales order. Okay, so sales order is something which exists in real life. If we buy something from online portal, for example Amazon, so we create a sales order. It exists in real life, this functionality. So yeah, that is the basic idea of business object. In technical terms, business object encapsulate both data and behavior of the real world entity. What is data? Data is data model, for example, CDS views. So we can design data model by the help of CDS view entities. And behavior is the services, the business services which we can create in Eclipse, that we have seen in our last video, how to create a business service in Eclipse. Business object is made of what? Root entity and child node. In every business object, we have a structure and a behavior. And in structure, we have root node and child nodes. Every business object starts with root node and also have some child nodes. For example, our main object can be sales order and child node can be items or schedule lines. What could be the behavior of a business object? For example, standard operation, create, read, update, delete, or custom actions like approve, submit, or cancel. These operations form the transactional behavior which controls how the data changes across the system. Okay, in this video we will see step-by-step process for creating the business object. Every business object start with the root node, and here we will take an example of travel business object. We will use the travel table as a root node and booking supplement tables as child nodes. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, core data services, new data definition. Let's provide the name of our root node, 𝗕𝗓 travel root travel node. Next, okay, it already exists, so let's use some other name. Travel 1. Next, what we are creating? We are creating a root entity. So we will define a root view entity and click on finish. So this is our basic structure of root travel node. What we need to do? We need to select from travel table here diamond travel M. We don't need this composition here. Let's remove it. We also don't need it. Let's add the associations. Association first 0 to 1, 2, demo I underscore agency as agency on dollar projection agency ID equal to agency ID. This is our first association or agency table. Let's add some fields here. For example, key field, travel ID as travel ID, and another field agency ID as agency ID, customer ID as customer ID, begin date as begin date, and date as and date. Add a column for booking fees. Total price. All the columns, as you can see, are self-explanatory. What values we have in these columns, that we can assume from the name itself. Total price, currency code as currency code, description as overall status as over status. Okay, created by to know the information that who created these entries. Created at as created at last changed by last changed at as last changed at. Okay, we will add our associations, exposed associations here. So one we have added here, agency. Let's add other association here, association to demo customer I underscore customer. This was from 𝗕𝗏𝗏 table. I have written it wrongly. Projection. Here on is missing. Dollar projection. Control enter which field we need to use from projection, customer ID. Alias customer. Give space here and customer one which we need to use, and which field we need to use from this, customer ID. Let's add another association for currency. Association to I underscore currency as underscore currency on dollar projection. Control enter, and which field we need to use, currency code. Okay, underscore, control enter, currency. Which field we need to use, currency. Let's add another association here to overall status. Demo I underscore overall status as overall status on dollar projection. Overall status equal to underscore status, and which field we need to, with which field we need to associate here. Okay, we have some issue here. Okay, this is not a correct one. VH. Okay, this is the field overall status. Booking fee, reference information missing, or data type is wrong. Okay, what we need to do, we need to add semantic information here. We need to tell that in which currency our booking fee should be displayed. So we have semantics annotation for that. Semantics dot amount this amount, currency code, and here we need to write our currency code column name. Currency code which we have here. Okay. Same way for total price as well. We need to tell the system the currency column information. What is our currency column? Currency code. Okay. Let's add the annotation for or created by field semantics dot user dot created by. This annotation indicates the system that created by field contains the data of the user which has created the entries. Okay, so same way add the annotation for last changed by semantics dot user dot last changed by created at field system date created at true. Okay, this annotation represent the timestamp when the record was created. Okay, let's add other associations which we have added in the previous steps. Customer, currency, overall status. Okay, let's save and activate. As you can see, our root node is activated. Let's create the child entity. New data definition, and let's create the child entity booking one, booking entity next, define view entity, finish. This is the basic structure of our child entity, which is booking. Okay, select from demo booking association. Here we will add the association to parent node, association to parent. And what is the parent name? 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗃 travel 1 as travel on projection. Okay, we don't have any field here yet. Let's add the fields. Key travel ID as travel ID. Key booking ID as booking ID. Booking date as booking date. Customer ID as customer ID. Carrier ID as carrier ID. Connection ID as connection ID. Flight date as flight date. Flight price as flight price. Currency code as currency code. Booking status as booking status. Last changed by last changed at as last changed at. These are the various fields in the child node booking. Okay, let's add another associations. Projection, which one we need to use? Travel ID equal to underscore travel. Which one we need to use? Travel ID. Let's add another association, one-to-one relationship with customer. Customer demo I underscore customer. One booking ID can be related to a single customer. We cannot have multiple booking ID for same customer for any flight. You can consider that example. Customer on dollar projection. Customer ID equal to customer ID. Let's add another association for carrier to demo underscore demo carrier as underscore carrier on dollar projection carrier ID equal to airline ID. Carrier ID equal to airline ID. Let's add another association for connection. Connection on projection carrier ID equal to connection dot airline ID and projection dot connection ID dot connection ID connection ID. Add another association for booking status, one-to-one association to demo I underscore booking status as booking status on dollar projection dot booking status equal to booking status exposed associations. Let's add our associations here. What are the associations we have? Customer carrier, connection, booking status, travel. Okay, what error we are getting here? Okay, so it is expecting the reference of currency field. Let's add the annotation amount dot currency code, and what is the field name? Currency code. Same way, let's add the annotation for last changed at field, system date, last changed at. Okay, fine, let's save and activate. Let's create another child entity, which is booking supplement. 𝗕𝗂𝗊𝗂𝗃 booking supplement entity. Next, define view entity, finish. This is the basic structure for our supplement entity. From demo book, let's add the association to parent. We are providing the reference to parent node. So what is the parent node name here? 𝗕𝗂𝗊𝗂𝗃 travel 1. Note this one, we are creating a tree structure here. So who will be the parent of this booking supplement child node? So parent would be 𝗕𝗂𝗊𝗂𝗃 booking 1 as underscore booking on. Let's add the fields here. We have key, travel, ID as travel ID, key, booking ID as booking ID, key, booking supplement ID as booking supplement ID. And another field we have supplement ID as supplement ID. Price as price. Currency code as currency code. Last changed at as last changed at. So these are the fields which we will have in this child entity booking supplement. Let's complete the association. Dollar projection booking ID underscore booking. This will be the common field in both of these CDS view entities. Booking ID. So we are joining with this, and what would be the other common field here? Booking ID plus travel ID. Travel ID. Let's add another association for travel entity to 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗃 travel as underscore travel on projection travel ID equal to underscore travel what is the issue? Okay, it's not travel, it's travel 1. Travel ID association. Let's create another association for supplement 1:1 to demo I underscore supplement as product on dollar projection supplement ID equal to underscore supplement ID, association demo. Let's add another association for supplement text. I_supplement text as underscore supplement text on $projection dot supplement ID equal to underscore supplement text dot supplement ID. So these are the association for this booking supplement child node. Let's add association below. What are these? These are exposed associations underscore travel product supplement text booking. As you can see, we have added the parent association here with the booking entity, but we did not establish the relationship in the booking entity with booking supplement. So we need to do it here. Let's add. How we can do that? We can establish this relationship with composition keyword, composition 0 to star, that is the cardinality of what is the child node booking supplement 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗃 book 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗃𝗃1. What is the name there? Booking 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗃 supplement. Let's add it here. Booking supplement is the issue. Okay, it says it does not exist. What we need? Okay, so let's add the annotations first here. Semantics dot amount dot currency code semantics dot system date last change date. Let's save this one. Okay, let's try to activate. Let's activate this one first. As you can see, booking supplement is activated. Let's now activate our booking entity. This one also activated. Same way, in the root node, we have not established relationship with the child node. Here we did not mention the booking entity, it's child entity anywhere. So that we need to do. Let's write composition 0 to star of what is the child entity name, booking 1 as underscore booking. Let's add it in the associations booking. Save and activate. Window show view relationship explorer. As you can see, this is our business object, and we can see root node and the child nodes. Also, if you notice, business object name is same as the root entity name. Okay, these are the points to notice. It's done by default by SAP. So in conclusion, business objects are built using CDS views. So CDS views act as a data model for our business object in RESTful application programming. And behavior definition are the services, business services, which we created in our previous videos. And we can also use the ABAP logic for implementation of our business objects. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more such informational videos. Thank you.